Hey guys, it's pumpkin season. I'm super excited to be making this video today. Obviously, during this period, I always pick one thing to make, just to tap into that pumpkin season, fall, autumn flavors, and all much more. So stay tuned and let's make these pumpkin bars together. First, we do have my brown sugar and granulated sugar, some eggs. Let me just move this camera a little bit closer so you guys could see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I do have 3 eggs basically, and here you can see my baking powder, my pumpkin pie mix, and these are a lot of spices. For this pumpkin bars that I'm making, it's just flavorful. Here we do have vegetable oil, and here we do have my pumpkin pie spice, which I do love the aroma, some cinnamon, which I'm incorporating, and then here I do have my cloves, ungrounded cloves, guys, and here I do have my grounded nutmeg. Yes guys, I'm super excited to be making this pumpkin bars today. And here they have my salt, obviously I'm gonna be using. I just want to show you guys up close all I'm going to be using, and here is my baking soda, guys. You really do need this. I do have my empty bowls here, one for the dry ingredients, one's going to be for the wet ingredients as well, and here I do have my baking flour. So guys, let's make this together, but I don't think I'm done showing you guys my mortar. Here's my mortar and my pestle, my mixer. This mixer is the first time I'm using it on this channel. I've had it since last year, those of you guys that know from my Christmas video. And then this mortar and pestle as well, I did get it when we traveled to Ohio for grocery shopping. You guys should look out for that video. I might be uploading it before this, I don't know. And this is my whole cloves, so I'm gonna be pounding some cloves in here. Yeah guys, not really much, but to give it that flavor. I'm gonna be pounding it now till it's smooth. So let's just go ahead and pound. So guys, are you excited about the fall season? What season is it in your country where you are? Right here it's fall, and I do love it. It's just that the weather is cold, but I still do love it. This season just is a beautiful season, so much decorations and all that going on. So I'm just gonna go in here with my flowers, my flour, guys, Nike, and then my white sugar. Turn that in here, my granulated sugar basically, and then my brown sugar. Then I'm gonna start with all my spices. This is my cloves, some baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, then which one should be next? It's the pumpkin spice. Yeah, my pumpkin spice. Guys, if you decide to try this, you're gonna love it. I'm just gonna mix. After mixing, let's put this to the side, and now let's get our wet ingredients in the bowl. I'm starting with this Libby's pumpkin pie mix. I'm still gonna buy another one because, man, guys, during this season pumpkin pie mix is always scarce, like literally. As in the day I got this, I wanted a smaller can, but it was the last one in store. Like I just had to buy it. I need to buy another one before Thanksgiving in case I want to make more pumpkin bars or another recipe, Everyone loves this. And then my vegetable oil. What are you guys gonna be making? Your signature spice or pumpkin flavor food? What are you guys gonna be making with pumpkin this season? So going with my eggs as well. Just let me know in the comment section if you like pumpkin. Some people don't like it, I do know that, but right now it's good, full of flavors. My milk going in there, then you mix. I do have my mixer ready. I'm just gonna turn in my wet ingredients first, and then go in with the dry ingredients next. You don't want to put your dry ingredients before the wet ingredients, it's just gonna be a mess. We'll go ahead and mix. Just gonna go ahead and let this mix, and I do have my pan lined here with some parchment paper and some melted butter. And now that we're done mixing, we pour in our mixed dough into the pan. You guys see how beautiful this is already looking? And imagine what the taste would be like. I wanted to say look like. So what are you guys gonna be making this season? For family, for Thanksgiving? I know people in Canada have done theirs. So we're just gonna put this now in the oven and let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. I usually play safe, so I put for 30 minutes. You know, don't want to eat undone dough. So this is ready. And just let it sit, get cold before we activate it. I really had fun making this, guys, and I love this. I love the whole aroma in my house. It smells so good. So now I've transferred it. It's cold, and I'm just gonna go in with my serrated knife and slice into shape of bars that I do want it to look like. Make it however you want it, tiny, little. I just want mine like this. It's chunky. When you're eating, you know you're eating something. You know what I'm saying? So this is it, guys. I really do love this, and I enjoyed it with my cup of ginger tea. Trust me, you need this season, guys. So do you guys see how this looks? It looks so good, so moist. You can perceive the flavors. So I do have my cream cheese here. I'm just going to be putting a little bit on one. I don't know how to ice or do all that fun stuff. You guys know now. So I'll just do this for Mr. T. This is what it looks like. He would like his own with cream cheese. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Do enjoy the rest of the day. And please remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye!